Hello dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour with me Bersabet Taghla. First are the major headlines for today. Awareness raising campaign on rights of children in Gashbarka region. Awards to outstanding students in the Central region. Dozens kidnapped by bandits in North Nigeria. And millions of people without power in Crimea. On your domestic reports, the Gashbarka region branch of the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare held a seminar with an emphasis on children's rights and the need to abstain from actions that negatively impact women's physical and mental development. The strategic plan for children's rights, fundamental women's rights, the effects of underage marriages and females' genital mutilation, and the legal rights of women and children were all extensively discussed during the meeting. The region's Director General of Social Services, Mr. Franco Kubaba, indicated that 7 member committees have been formed to monitor the application of women's and children's rights and are assiduously working to curtail harmful practices like underage marriage and female genital mutilation. On his part, Mr. Tesfa Mikael Gereselase, acting head of the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare in the region, urged the public to get more involved in the effort to end the practice of female genital mutilation, emphasizing that it is everyone's responsibility to uphold women's rights and to provide children with the proper care. Speaking at the event, Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Huri, governor of the region, urged administrators at all levels and committees to increase involvement in the effort to curb harmful practices and to take firm corrective action against law breakers. Schools in Dar Paulos and Adabeto Central Region provided award to outstanding students that scored higher results in the 2022-2023 National 8th Grade Examination. The awardees included 29 students, including 13 female students from Dar Paulos Junior School and 20 students, including 12 female students from Adabeto Junior School. At the handing out ceremony, the directors of the schools said that the awards, beyond recognition to the outstanding students, have significant impact on fellow students to become competitive in their education. Parents of the awardees, commending for the award provided to their children, called for the sustainability of the program. On your last local report, Harat Transportation Company has, from 26 November, launched a new route from Asmara to Addis Enaf administrative area with fair price, indicating that popular campaign has been organized for a number of months to renovate the dirt road connecting Addis Enaf. Mr. Taghlo Fissahatian, administrator of the administrative area, said that sustainable follow-up will be conducted to ensure the sustainability of the road. Mr. Mahari Yohannes, administrator of Gala Nefhi Subzone, and Mr. Nugusa Gabres Gabiher, manager of Harat Transportation Company, on their part, indicating the significance of opening the route and facilitating the daily lives of the residents, called for judicious use of the road. Addis Enaf administrative area is located 26 kilometers from Asmara. We will take a short break, but coming up will be international news and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. At least 100 people have been abducted by gunmen in Nigeria's northwest, residents have said. Locals reported that armed men on motorcycles stormed villages in Zamfara state. The residents were kidnapped after the villagers failed to pay a tax imposed on them by the gunmen. In recent years, kidnapping for ransom has become common in northwestern Nigeria. Armed gangs target villages, schools, and travelers, demanding millions of naira in ransom. According to further report, a local village head said one resident was killed on Friday's attack. On today's final report, almost 500,000 people have been left without power and one person was killed after a storm in the Black Sea area flooded roads, ripped up trees, and took down power lines in Crimea. Russian state news agency TASS reported. According to the news agency, the storm also hit southern Russia and sent waves flooding into the beach resort of Sochi, blew off the roof of a 5-story building in Inap, and damaged homes and schools in Kuban. The storm urged several Crimean regions to declare a state of emergency after it became the strongest recorded in the past 16 years, with wind speeds reaching 144 kilometers per hour. This is according to the Crimean Environmental Monitoring Department. The government in Crimea told people to stay at home and closed government offices, including schools and hospitals, as strong winds were still expected today. Dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Awareness-raising campaign on rights of children in Gashvarka region. Awards to outstanding students in the Central region. Dozens kidnapped by bandits in northern Nigeria. And millions of people without power in Crimea. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.